Elvis. Hello. Hi, Elvis. Hi, Elvis.
Nasi.
Hi, Elvis.
Yes, Nasi.
Yeah. No.
Nasi,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, please. I'm having I get stuck when I'm trying to do my system navigation, like to configure all the different charts. Is it possible you send me the recordings of these lessons, the video recording, so I can watch how you went through the navigations?
Okay. The recording of today topic, recording of previous topic, but previous topics were not recorded. Uh, just because of some system error, I could not record that video lectures. But today class may be recorded.
Yeah, I'm having issues with my system navigation.
System navigation. Okay, would you like to? You can follow my documents, Excel documents. These are very
Yeah, I when I get into the SAP to configure, I get stuck. I forget like how you did
okay.
everything.
Okay. I will share you uh, this type of notes, and I will share you book. And today I will record this session. But sometime when I disconnect, so the recording will be continued, but the class cannot be continued. That's why I disconnect the recording session. So I will continue today class, and after the class, I will try to record all the topic, and then I will share with you. But
Yes.
in my other language, in Urdu sessions, I recorded sessions, but in English I did not record. So I will try to record this sessions. Okay, for
Yeah.
you. I may share you. Document control. What is a document control? Document control. Document control. What is document? Document, as
So
I,
our topic today is document control.
yeah, our today topic is document control. As we stuck on this issue, as define field status variant, we stuck on this, but now we will continue this topic, and after completion of document control, the topic will be started regarding field define field status variant. It will be cleared after completion of a document control. Okay, uh, we face this issue, field status variant, but now we should start the today topic, and it is the part of today topic. Automatically we will clear this define field status variant, the topic. Okay, first we should start from document control. Okay, what is a document? A document on daily basis, users, officers post entries into system in any company. Okay, on daily basis, a lot of transactions are posted into system, into SAP. Every transaction generate a document. Every transaction generate a document. Whenever you post a single entry in SAP system, uh, a document will be generated on the back end of that entry. Okay, for example, you want to post an entry as like a purchases debit $100, and vendor account credit $100. Okay, so this is the entry. If I post this entry into system, a system will generate a document regarding this entry. System will generate a document. When I will click on enter button, when I click on save button, system automatically generate a document of this entry into system. Okay, a document control means document has two parts. One part is called document header, and the second one is line item. A document has two parts. One is document header, and the second one is line item. Line items. A document address. The document header is controlled by document type. Document header is controlled by document type, while line items are controlled by posting keys. Line items are controlled by posting keys. What is it? Both things, these two things are called document control. Document headers is controlled by document type and line items is controlled by posting key. So these are the components of, these tools are the components of document controlling. These two elements control the document. Control the document. One of them is document type and the second is posting key. What is the function of document type and what is the function of posting key? I will show you this all in system. I'm going to log into system. Here I put for example, if I post any GL documents FB50. FB50 is the T code for journal ledger document posting. FB50. Here, what is the company name? Tata. I'm going to post into Tata company. But now I'm not able to post in the system because configuration data is not completed. First, I will complete the configuration data, then master data, then I will put transaction data. It is the screen of transaction data. I am going to post a GL document regarding company code Tata. Tata Motors. I am posting documents in Tata Motors. That is GL document. That is just an entry. Okay. What is the entry? Entry is that account purchases account debit, purchase account debit, account payable credit. Purchases account debit, account payable credit. It means credit purchases. Purchases on credit means we made purchases but we did not pay.
Yeah, purchase on
Purchases,
credit. Yeah.
purchase debit, account payable credit. That will be the entry. But now, how to post the entry? This is the document. This is complete document. But this part, the above part, this whole part is called document header. This whole part is called document header, and this part is called line item. This is one line item. This one is second line item. We show debit and then we show credit. These are line item. This is called line item. This is complete line item. Okay, this one is called line item. This is the second line item. This is the third line item, and this one is the fourth line item. Multiple line items. So the above part is called document header, and these are called line item. Okay, these are called line item, debit and credit. Here, debit and credit is indicated. These parts are called line item. This is the one screen of, it is called enjoy screen transaction. In one screen, you do the same debit and credit. There is no posting key, just a debit and credit. System only understand posting key. 40 means debit, 50 means credit. We understand debit and credit, but system understand 40 and 50. Okay, now how to post in another way? It is the one way, and the second way is the double screen. It is single screen, and what is the double screen? Dual screen. I'm going backslash n. I put here backslash n. I will get out from here. Now here.
Oh, so if you want to go back, is slash n.
Okay. I will FB50. FB50 code. Now, how to backslash n.
Wow.
backslash n,
Backslash and N.
n, and just click on enter. I appear on the SAP Easy Access screen. Now here I put another T code F-02, F-02, and then click on enter. Now here, this is the same document, but its screen is different. This one is called, this part is called document header. This part is called document header. This document header is controlled by document type. This is the document type. As a means GL document. Here posting key, this is the 40, posting key 40. 40 means debit. 40 is used for debit and 50 is used for credit. I will show here. I will show you here 40 and 50. There are many posting keys, but 40, 40 means debit GL entry.
Debit entry.
GL,
Yeah.
GL entry, debit entry, and 50 means GL credit
Credit
entry.
entry.
Credit entry. Debit and debit is 40 is used for debit and 50 is 40 posting key means debit and 50 means credit. So this is line item. This is line item. The line item is controlled by posting keys. Line item is controlled by posting key, and document header is controlled by document type. This is the document type. Okay, as a is GL document type. I will show here by clicking explore button. These are many document types. These are many document types. For asset posting, we use AA document type. For journal accounting entries, we use AB document type. For depreciation posting, we use AF document type. For net asset posting, we use AN, and so on. We use different. Okay. Now DR, we use for customer invoice DR, and DZ we use document for customer payment. So here, whatever transaction do you want to post, that is recognized by document type. Okay. SA, what is SA? I will show you SA. SA, as is SA is GL account document. SA is use GL document. SA, it is not I think uh, as according to the name, as a maybe GL, but it is a German based terminologies. In German language may be called as a S for journal ledgers and A for documents. Maybe in German language it is indicated by in German language, it is uh, set in German language. Okay. Now as a is the document type. As a is the document type. Document type control the header of any document. Header of document. While posting key control the line item. Okay. Now
Yes.
where
Posting
where
key.
I mentioned this is document type as a KR, DR, KZ, DZ. There are multiple document types. I gave here in the notes in this Excel sheet. Multiple document types are there from MM module, FI module, account payable, transactions. These are the CO controlling modules. So we define there are multiple document types. Okay, there are
Yes.
multiple document types. Now here document types. What is the what is the controlling function of document type? Document type control the header of any document, while posting key control the line item. It is document type. Here I show you again. It is a certification type of questions. Document type. It is document type. It is document type, and document type control the header of any document, while posting key control the line item of any document. Posting key control the line item of any document. Are you getting me, Elvis?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now it is clear, but it is the I summarize this whole topic I told you the key factors, and now you can, it is easy, not difficult. Okay. Now, for example, there is an entry purchases $100. We are posting this entry purchases debit, vendor account credit. What will be the posting key? 40 represents, posting key is 40, that represent debit, and 50 represents credit. Okay. These
Yes.
are predefined posting keys. These are maintained by SAP Germany. SAP. Okay. Now we have a lot of fixed assets, income, salaries. So we have different. Do you know about the rules of debit and credit? Rules
Yeah.
of debit and credit. When assets increases, it will be recorded in debit side, on debit
Sorry.
column. When assets increases, it will be recorded on debit column.
Debit side.
When expenses increases, it will be recorded in debit column. When asset decreases, it will be recorded in credit column.
Credit.
When expenses decreases, it will be, when expense decreases, when expense decreases, then it will be recorded in credit column. Liability, when liability decreases, then it will be recorded in debit column. When liability increases, just have a look, just observe these three. These three are the element of account. When these three account group are element of accounts are increased, then these three will be recorded on credit side. When these three are decreases, when these three are decreased, when these three are decreased, then they will be recorded debit side. Only two are two assets and expenses. These element of accounts, if these elements of account increase, then will be recorded in debit side. Are you getting me? This is the rule of debit and credit, accounting famous rule.
Yes.
Are you aware of this? Do you know this?
So
Do you know
yeah,
this? Okay. Accounting receivable, account receivables, dear. For example, there is a sales on credit, sales on account. What does it mean? Sales on credit. We made sales, but we did not receive any
don't
cash
receive payment. Yeah.
payment. Okay, payment from customer. Now payment is due. Payment will have to be received. What will be the entry? Account receivable,
Account receivable.
debit, and sales credit. This is the entry. If I pause this entry in system, into system, if I pause this entry into system, into SAP, then a document will be generated. A document will be generated. For example, it is GL entry. What will be the document header? GL entry is SA will be the document type, and this entry will be posted in FB50 T code. What will be the T code? FB50. If I put FB50 in command field, then I will click on enter. Then I will appear on GL documents, and then I will post this entry. Okay, but how? It is possible after completion of document configuration, document control, and field status. Then we will be able to post the transactions. But there will be some errors. Then we first troubleshoot those errors, configuration errors. Then we will be able to post into system. But before creating, after creating master data. Okay, what are the famous document types which are used in SAP? Document types, KR. KR is the document type which is used for vendor invoice. KG is the document type which is used for vendor credit memo. DR is the document type, standard document type from SAP that is used for customer invoice. DZ is the standard document type that is used for customer payment. DG is the customer credit memo. It is the standard document type. AB is used for accounting document. SA is also the document type of GL account, G journal ledger account, or accounting journal accounting posting entries. KZ, KZ is for vendor payment. These are famous document types which you at least you should remember this. These are mostly used in FI module. Okay.
Yes.
Now, how to what are the steps to follow? What are the steps to document? What type of steps should be followed? Posting keys are defined by two-digit number. Posting keys are defined by two-digit number. 40 is two-digit. 50 here is two-digit number. But what does it mean? Whenever we post a GL transaction, 40 means debit and 50 means credit. If I post customer invoice in customer module, there one is used for debit and 50 is used for credit. Vendor invoice, when vendor invoice is posted in debit side, then I will use 40 for debiting vendor invoice. If I uh, put vendor invoice in credit side, then I will use entry 31. Means debit, if I post a real transaction, their entry will be 40 and 50. If I post customer invoice, the entry will be one thing will be debit and second item will be one item will be debit and second item will be credit in customer entry. You know, there is dual entry, dual dual entry, dual accounting system in dual entry system in accounting, dual entry system in accounting. What is dual entry system in accounting? Always.
Yes.
What is dual entry system
Like
in accounting?
to to enter something twice, dual, double
Yeah.
entry.
Okay. For example, Mr. Elvis purchased laptop for office use. What will be the entry? What will be the accounting entry?
I think the amount.
Amount will be entered, but in accounting entry, what will be the accounting entry? Accounting entry has dual aspects. Dual aspects means a transaction will
Uh,
be recorded. Dual aspects.
credit and expense,
No, here will be cash. No, no, no.
cash.
Laptop, laptop. Laptop will be debited because it is current fixed asset. Fixed asset is increased. It will be debited. What you paid? Cash or bank? If you paid from bank, are you paid cash? What will be credited? Laptop price
Laptop,
$200.
$100.
Okay,
Laptop,
now
$200.
$200. Laptop is fixed asset. It is debited. When fixed asset is increased, it will be debited. While cash and bank is our current asset. When current asset is decreased, it will be credited. Okay, it is the rule of debit and credit. As we have learned about, we have mentioned about laptop. It is the dual entry. While Mr. Elvis purchased laptop for office use. Uh, it is the narration. Okay, it is the narration and it is the entry. One business transaction. It is one business transaction. One business transaction has two aspects. Dual entry. Here you generally record in your diary. Mr. Elvis purchased laptop for of rupees of for office use rupees or dollars 200. You recorded this in your diary, but but you want to record this transaction in your accounting registers, accounting software. What will be the recording? What will be the entry?
Laptop 200,
Cash account.
cash and bank.
In your personal diary, you can record the
Right.
transaction
Yeah.
by this way. But if you record the transaction in accounting ledger or accounting system, then you will have to pass this entry, because both have the there are one business transaction have two aspects. That's why it is called dual entry system in accounting. Okay. Now,
Yes.
what is your topic? Our topic is to define the document. Document, to define document, uh, you can define, but you shouldn't define. Why? D- Document types are predefined in SAP. You don't need to define your own. Okay. Now, how to define document types? Document types, just putting SPRO,
Let's
enter,
go. Enter.
and then click on SAP reference IMG.
Reference and
Then you will have to click on click
enterprise.
on click on financial accounting,
Financial accounting.
financial accounting global setting.
Financial accounting settings.
Then there is document
Documents.
and document type.
Document types.
Document types are predefined. You don't need to define. Okay, they are predefined. You can define, but they are predefined, so you can utilize the predefined. You don't need to create your own. Define document types. For example, if I want to define, then by clicking this execute button, there are predefined documents: assets, AP, AF, AN. As I told you that what are the most important for you? Most important for you, KR, KZ. What is KR? KR vendor invoice, KZ vendor payment. These are accounting related, finance related document types. What are the famous document types? These are KR vendor
Vendor
invoice,
invoice.
KZ vendor payment.
Vendor payment.
Now here these are already mentioned. KR vendor invoice, KZ vendor payment.
Payment.
Okay, these are finance related. Now where is SA? SA, this one. SA relating to GL
General
account
ledger
income.
account.
There is SA, SA, SA relating to GL document. Okay. DR for customer invoice. Where is DR in system? Just click on position and write DR, DR, and just click on enter. This
Right.
is
Yeah.
DR. DR for customer invoice, DZ for customer payment. DR for customer invoice, DZ for customer payment. Okay. These are predefined in SAP. You don't need to define. Okay. These just see, just watch, just observe here. Okay. Now, what is important? Important thing is to, okay, you don't need to define posting key. Posting keys are also predefined. Just by clicking on execute button, posting keys are also predefined. Whatever you need, these are the posting keys already predefined in SAP system. Okay, 01 is invoice. Invoice is used for invoice to be debated, to be debit. Okay, now there are more 50 and 40. Where is 50 and 40? Where they are? They are there. These are for, oh, just 40. 40 is debit entry, debit key. and 50 is for credit entry. These are posting keys. Posting keys are two-digit number posting keys. These are posting keys. Okay, 40, 50, 70, 75. So you don't need to create posting keys. Posting keys are also predefined in SAP. What you will have to create? You will have to create. You will have to create. You will have to define. That is defining number range for each document type. You will have to define number range. Define number range. This is the document type. You will have to define number range from 1 from 1200 to 12 lakhs. You define number range. It depends on you. KG, your SA,
That's
you define
one
number
million
range.
two hundred
You define number range for 1000 to
to 1 million.
5000, 50,000. Okay, from 1000 to 50,000. You define number range for SA, GL account, GL document. Okay, it depends on document type. Document types are assigned different number range. KZ may be assigned 6,000 to 9,000. Then DR, DZ may be different number range. Everyone have serial number. There, it may be one. This may be two. This may be three. So, according to this serial number, we define number range for each document type. Okay, serial wise. Okay, we will define. Now here, how to define number range into system? We will click on defining number range. Financial accounting, financial accounting, and then click on financial accounting global setting. Then click on
Financial
document,
settings,
then click on
documents,
document number
document number of entries,
range. Okay. Now define document number range. Click on execute button.
define number of entries, execute.
Now here I will mention the company code name. What is the name of my company code? Tata.
Company code,
Tata. And then I will click on this button, interval button, for creating. Okay. Now there is number, serial number. Serial number is 01. What is the year? Year is 2020. I will use your number range from 100 to 500. Maybe in real time there may be 100 to 5999999 in real time. Okay, huge number range may be used, will be used, but if for just for practice I use here small number range. Okay, in system, in company, in any organization, there are a lot of transactions there which are posted on daily basis. A number of transactions are posted into system. So that's why in different departments a number of transactions are posted. So that's why the number range should be longer, should be longer, from 100 to 50 crore, 50 lakh, 50 million numbers. This may be the number range. Okay, in real time I put here 01, 220, 100 to 500. I can post how many documents? 100 to 500, 400 documents. I can post 400 documents, 401 documents. First document will be 100. The second document in of GL will be 101. Third document will be 102, 103, 100, 104. Okay. The more, whenever I post any one document in GL, there will be one number utilized. Number range status means the documents, the number of document that you posted in system, there will be the used number, used number 100 to
Yes.
500. There will be
The range.
used number. Okay,
Contract.
the number which are used.
Yes.
Now, what is the external? If I click on this button, if I click on this check, it means that I will put the I will put the number manually to every entry to every document manually. And if I click on this, it means external number range. If I do not click on this, so a system will automatically assign number one by one, step by step, one number with a sequence. With this sequence, system will automatically assign a number to any document. If I click on this, it means system will not assign. I will have to manually assign the number to any document. So in practical uh, environment, in practical approach, this ext is not selected. Okay, you shouldn't select this. Okay, click on the first document interval, document number range has been created from 100 to 500. It is assigned to 1. It is linked to 1, and 1 is linked to any document type. 1 is linked to any document. How 1 is linked to any document type? We will just go back to document type. I will open a new session, and then I will show you. Okay, SPRO, enter. Then click on SAP reference IMG. Then I will have to click on financial accounting global setting, and then I will click on document. And now here document type, click on defining document type. System is taking load.
It's loading.
Yeah, it is uploading. Now I will click on SA. SA is GL document. Click on SA. There is SA. It is GL document type. If I click, I select this, and then I will click on detail button. Click on detail. There is number range 01. There is number range 01. 01 is relating to, is connected to, this is linked to as a GL document type. As a GL document type. So the number range that I created here, 01. This number range is belonging to, relating to, connecting to as a GL document type. As a GL document type. How many GL documents can I post? 100 to 500. It is the interval of 400, I think. 100 to 500. 401. So I can post 401 documents in GL as a documents. Okay, that's why I this one is connecting to what? This one is connecting to one is connecting to this GL document type. So I told you that this one is 1, and I assign number range here 100 to 500. Okay, this is same as this is same. That's why I told you that this is the important thing. Document types are assigned different number range. As I assigned only one number range to SA document from 100 to 500, these are document number range. Means how many accounting documents or how many GL documents can be posted? 100 to 500 documents can be posted. Okay, I can increase the number
Then how
range. I can increase the number range from 100 to 50 lakh. I can increase. It depends on me.
then
Now,
how many times can you enter a document?
I can enter whenever I want to change. I can change from here. I can change from here. It is active field. You can change it whenever do you want. Then you can change. If you want to delete, click on this button and then click on delete and assign your own new number range, whatever you want. Okay.
Yes.
Now I just assign number range to one document. Now the second thing is, apart from this, what is our most concerned topic, that is regarding field status variant. Field status variant. Now first I will create field status and then will assign. Well, first I will create. What is field status? Field status variant. Field status variant are variant that hold the field's status group in SAP R3. A field status group defines the screen layout for general ledger accounting. What is the purpose of defining field status group or field status variant? What is field status variant? Field status variant is nothing. It is a variant that is assigned to GL, general ledger accounts, that are assigned to general ledger account. For example, what is the second name of, what is the other name of field status? Field status, the other name of field status is screen layout.
Screen
Screen
layout.
layout.
Yeah.
What does it mean? What is the meaning of screen layout, or what is the meaning of field status? Both are same, both have same meaning. Both are same, both have same meaning. Field means this is one field, this is a field, this is a field, this is the field. These are fields. Whatever fields do you want to show during your posting in system? So you can click on required. Required means if you post any transaction and put you did not put the first name, you did not put the first name, the transactions or the master data cannot be saved, because name first is required entry. In name one field, you will have to put something. Without having put anything, you cannot post or you cannot save that data.
Okay.
If I put on optional, either you want to fill the name one field or not, the system will save the data. What is hide entry? Hide entry means the entry or the field will be shown, but that will be hide. You cannot put anything, you cannot change anything in that field. What are fields? These are fields. Okay, I will tell you. Just this is field. This is field. It is also a field. It is also a field. What type of fields do you require in journal ledger? So you can assign by assigning the field status. How to define field status? We will define it by copying, not by creating our own. We cannot create our own. We will have to copy from the standard one. Financial SPRO, then financial accounting. Financial accounting, I will click on journal ledger, then click on master data. No, there is no. Okay, if financial accounting, journal ledger accounting, ledger, there is fields. fields,
Fields.
and then click on
Okay.
define field status variant.
Field
Define field.
status.
How did I get this screen? How did I get this screen? This is the way. Okay, this above. Above. This one is the way. Fine. SPRO. After SPRO, financial accounting, new. Fine. Okay, I will just change this financial accounting, not financial accounting. It is in ECC version. Financial accounting is in ECC version. As for HANA, there is only one accounting. Financial accounting new, financial accounting global setting, ledger, fields, and then click on define field status variant. Okay, we have opened two screens. Now here. Financial accounting global setting, ledger, field, click on define field status variant. This is the execute button. Here we have to copy the standard one. It is the standard one provided by SAP 0001. I will select this and click on copy as. Now I will change it. I will put my own. What is? I will create my own. How to create? What is? What should be? I think Tata. The same name. Okay. Field status variant should be the same name of company code as to recognize that we created this one. Okay. And that is for
Yes.
Tata. I can change 1 2 3 4. I can set the name 1 2 3 4. Okay. It doesn't matter. Tata, maybe company code same, maybe different. And then click on enter. And then all the copies from 0001 will be copied to Tata. Yes. Okay. Copy all. 43 entries were copied. What are 43 entries? 43 entries are nothing. These are field status group. Field status group. Field status variant is the combination of field status group. In field status variant, there are a lot of field status group. Now I click on this and just want to see 43 entries. Okay, just click on, I select Tata one and then click on field status group. Double click, and then these are different field status group as like cost accounting. If I create any expense account GL master data, then I will have to select this field status group. Field status group G004. How and where these field status group are utilized? Why do we configure this? Okay, I will show you in next screen. Now here I will show you. Go back and then go back. Click here. FS00. Just click on this. These are not active. Okay, these we cannot change it. We cannot type anything. We cannot type anything in these fields. These are not active. Just click on control create bank interest. Here field status group. Here is the option of field status group. Whenever we will create GL master data, for example, if I want to create the expense account, so I will specify their field status group from this point, and field status group. What will be the field status group? These all fields, G cost accounts, material consumption, bank account, material account, these all fields will be appeared at this point. At this point will be appeared. Okay. But
Yes.
now these are not appeared. Why? We did not assign, we did not still create it. We are in still creation process. Okay. We will have to create. Now these are okay. These are field status group. What does it mean? Field status group. It means it will be a group where a lot of fields will be there. Yes. Just double click on this G004. Double click on this. I click on this. Yeah, there are tabs. Under these tabs, there are multiple fields. Just click on general data, double click on general data. These are fields: assignment number, tax, invoice reference, hedging, collecting invoice, reference specification, reference specification 3, inflation index, whatever. For example, you want the assignment number as a required entry. Just click on this. Whenever you whenever you configure master data, there will be assignment number field, then the field will be required entry. If you do not put anything, then the system will not allow you to save the transaction. Okay, if you put here optional entry, either you fill this assignment number field, or you don't want to fill this, the system will save an entry and it will not give any error. System will not give you any error because you select here optional entry. Optional means either you want to put the entry, either you want to type or you don't want to type. So there is optional for you. Are you getting me?
Yes, Nancy.
Okay, it is a little bit complex when you will start working, making practice, posting transaction into system. Then all the thing will be understandable, and then you will come to know the usage of all these type of data, where these datas are
Yeah.
used, and why we configured this data.
Practice is the best. It makes you to understand it better.
Yeah. Now here, I created Tata one. Yes, created. Now I define the field status variant. Now I will have to assign company code to field status variant. It is the next step. Assign. Assign company code to next. What is our company code name?
Better.
Tata. And then click on enter. I configure by this. I configure the Tata company, and the same name I utilized for field status variant. Click on here and just click on Explorer button. I put the same name here, Tata field status variant or Tata. Now here I assign it. Tata is company code and field status variant is also Tata. Both are same. Just click on enter and then save. It means this company code has been assigned field status variant. The error that we faced yesterday, do you remember the error? What was the error? Field status error variant error.
Yeah.
Do you remember the yesterday error when
Yeah,
we
there was no entry. Yeah.
one of the error was profit and loss retained earning error. We resolved we resolved yesterday, and the second was the field status error. Now today we resolved the field status. Okay, now just I'm going to create uh, any GL. For example, I want to create a cash GL. Cash GL. OBD4. OBD4 is the T code to enter into the screen of GL account group. OBD4, click on enter, and we maintain their GL account group. I will put here my chart of account was Chata. Just click on enter. So I maintain this data account group, admin expenses, balance sheet account, bank account, capital expenses, current asset, fixed asset, clearing and adjustment data, fixed asset, income account. Do you remember that when we configure this? When did we configure? Did you remember?
Admin expense.
Through 2 or 3 days. I think we yesterday. I think yesterday or day after,
Yesterday.
day
Yesterday
before
we did
yesterday,
rectifying
or day before
chart
yesterday.
of account.
We configured this. Okay, we already configured this
Yes.
chart of account and then account group and then will. Okay, there was income statement. There we created the first retained earning account 301. But now
Yeah.
I want to create salary expense account. What? Salary expense account. Expense account. Salary expense account. How to create the GL of salary expense account? I will utilize 401 for salary expense, 402 for rent expense, 401 is for salary expense, 402 is for rent expense, and 403 is for entertainment expense. So I will use 401 for salary expense. Why? It is expense account, and salary expense is generated from this group, this account group. 401. I will utilize 401. Now I click on new session. 401. What is the T code for creating GL master data? How can I create GL master data? By putting T code FS00. FS00. If I
Just
put
to
here F is 00, then I will click on enter.
enter.
Now I want to create 401, the salary expense GL account. 401, and then click on invest. Do you focus
Yes.
on the
I
screen?
mean, yes. I want
Okay,
you.
and now I click on create. Now fields are active. Did you observe? We can now enter, we can post anything, we can type anything. GL account type, it is our primary cost or secondary cost. Balance sheet, non-operating expense or income. So these are salary expense. So salary expense relating to primary cost or revenue account. Okay. What is the account group? Account group here. Salary expense means expense account. Expense account. Now here I will put salary expense account. Salary expense.
To accountants.
Salary expense. Salary expense account. Now click on control data. Account currency in USD. Our company code currency is USD. Okay, already mentioned. Uh, expense account. Expense account. I will put here sort key. Why do I put here sort key? Tomorrow I will tell you. 00001. Yeah, create bank interest. Here is field status group. Now, as we created, now click on Explorer button. These are the field as I told you: cost center, material type. As before, we configured right now. 2 minutes ago, we configured G004 cost account. Cost account is used for expense type of account. So we manage here salary expense account. That's why I selected the field status group of cost account, cost relating account. Now click on enter and then save. No, now data saved. 401 is our salary expense account. We created one master data. We created one master data. 401, that is salary expense account. Now another transaction data. If you want to create another one, salary expense debit and cash. We want to create the GL account of cash. To create the GL account of cash, what will be the number range? I should select here. Okay, I'm creating cash. Cash is current assets, current asset account. So I will utilize this number 201. 201 is used for cash GL account. Okay, I will use 201. 201. Now click on this button. Just click on here and just put here 201 for cash. Okay, I'm just going to click on create. And now what GL account type? It is cash GL account. Cash GL account is a balance sheet account. Yes, balance sheet account. Okay, account group. What should I select it? Current asset account group. Yeah. Now here I click on cash. Cash is GL account. cash GL account for Tata. Okay, then click on control data. In control data, only balances in local currency. Click on only balance in local currency. It is not reconciliation account. What are reconciliation account? Assets, customer, and vendor. These three are reconciliation account. But fixed assets. Fixed asset is reconciliation account, not current asset. Now click on sort key. Sort key is posting date 001 selected, and then create bank interest. Field status group. What is a field status group? For cash, maybe cash or bank. Okay, bank account. Cash or bank similar nature, I will select bank. Cash or bank are similar nature. Click on enter and then click on save. Data was saved. Now it is confirmed that we created two GL account master data just by clicking on this and then click on this. Here we created cash GL account and salary expense. If we want to post the
Cash.
transaction,
Yeah.
the transaction is that salary paid on cash. What will be the entry? $1 lakh. Salary paid in cash, $1 lakh. What will be the entry? That here we maintain
Cash.
master data. Here we maintain master data, and here we put post FB50 in GL document. FB50. What is company code? Tata. What is document date? Document date may be today date or maybe back date, not the same date. Back date. Click on this. The reference IMG. Reference number is the reference on any invoice. Any number on the invoice from which you are going to post this entry. Previous invoice number. Previous invoice number. Okay, now I put here. What is the document header text? Salary paid in cash. On cash. Salary paid on cash. GL account. What will be the entry for debit and credit? If I pay salaries on cash, salary expense debit, cash credit. Salary expense debit, and then here cash will be credited. Whatever GL we created, these are appearing here. Salary expense debit and salary expense debit and cash credited. It is the entry. One thing will be debited, expense debited, and cash credited. What is the amount? In currency, USD is the currency. In amount, 1 lakh. $1 lakh. $1 lakh. Okay, this will be the entry, and then I will click on enter and then save. This transaction will be saved, but there will be the error. Tolerance error may be appear. Tolerance error or controlling area. Just look tolerance error or controlling area error. That will be our next topic. Okay, just click on enter. There is error posting period 006-2000 is not open. Okay, we did not open posting period. It is sixth period. What is the month? January, February, March, April, May, June. June is month. 6th month is going on. June is going on. We open their 5th period. We will have to open 6 in system. There is error of open your system. Open the date in your system. Okay, SPRO. Click on enter. SAP reference IMG. And then I will click on what is financial accounting. Are you getting me, Elvis?
Yes.
It is today class is complex, but you should be consistent. You should be, you should, I think, You should be consistent. You should be steadfast.
Yeah,
Steadfastness is, I think, the secret of success. Steadfastness.
I'm following, but it's really complicated. That's why I would like the recordings.
Okay, okay, I'm recording. Okay. Now click on. Okay, posting? Okay. Open and close posting period. Just click on financial accounting global setting, and then ledger, and click on fiscal and posting period. Then click on posting period. Here will open and close posting period, because the error regarding to open and close posting period, 6 period. Now what is the posting period variant? Data is the posting period variant. No, data is not. What was the posting period we define? We'll just search here. We define ch. what what was the posting period that we defined? 00011. No, no, no. Okay, should I define and then assign? I think we did not define. We have to define and then assign. Define variant for open posting period. What we define? We did not define. Okay, we want to define. Click on new entries,
Okay.
and new posting period is Tata. Posting period Tata. Posting period variant for Tata. Click on enter, and then click on save. It is defined now. Go back. This is the Tata that I defined. Now back. Assign variant to company code. Okay, click on assign variant to company code. We created variant by the name of Tata. Okay, okay. Data is locked by Nasir. Okay, this field is locked by me. I two times two times cannot be entered on the same screen. Where I open? Where did I open? Okay, there I opened. Data, company code, assign company code. And this is field status variant. Go back from here. Assign variant to company code. Click now. Here I will search my company code name, Tata. Click on this, and I will assign here the posting period variant. Clicking on variant, there is my posting period variant, and then I assign this.
Mm.
Click on save. It has been assigned. It is assigned. Now here click open and close posting period. Now I can working here. I can work here. Now here I will put Tata. Now I have to define here. Click on new entries. Here is account type, account group, account type, account type. What are account types? Click on explore button. Plus is valid for all account type. Click on this. A for A. or A. A is for assets, D for customer, K for vendors, M for material, S for GL accounts, and V for contract accounts. So these six plus A, D, K, M, S, these are compulsory for FI module, finance related module. Okay, we will have to assign these six: D, D, K, M, K, and then S. These are important. S for GL accounts, M for material. Now here I will do masking. I will leave it blank, and this will be blank. Now this will be blank and this will be masking. Masking means whatever account number. It is open for all account numbers. Then click on this. As I mentioned this type of things, do you remember this? I'm going to again uh, configuring it. Why? I'm configuring it posting period and special period. Do you remember
Yes.
posting period and special period?
Yes. Posting period is within the year and special
From
period
start
is
from 1 to 12,
yes.
and there are four special periods: 13,
Yes.
14, 15, 16. Do you remember that topic?
Yes.
Here, here
Yes.
should be here should be 6 period, because 6 month is open. 6 period should be started. Six, 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 and then 6. It will be 12, then 12, then 12, then 12, then 12. What is the year? 220, 220, 220, 220, 220. Okay. Here, same 220, 220, 220. Authorization group is the user defined group. Okay, now leave it blank. And this is the interval of 13 to 16. And this is the interval for CO documents type, CO document type. Okay, we will maintain here. After starting CO module, we will define here 13 to 16, 13. 13 to 16 as 4 days special period in the month of December. I already discussed this type of things. Do you remember?
Yes.
4 special periods and 12 posting period. 1 month is equal to 1 posting period.
Yes.
220, 220. Here 220. This is the interval of special period, and the first one interval is for posting period. Now the error has been resolved. What was the error during our posting entry? Salary expense debit cash account credit. Whatever entry that we posted, that we were going to post, the error was regarding to posting period variant. This 6 was not open, so we opened this. Now here we can, I again maintain this, but just for your just for repetition. Okay, as before we configured this, but just for your repetition. Now we'll have to assign after creation. I will have to assign. Where I have to assign here? Click on ledger, then click on fiscal area and posting period, then click on posting period. Okay, we created and we assigned here these steps. These steps have been completed. Now we will go to the entry. Where was our entry? There is my entry. Salary expense debit cash account credit. The error was regarding to open 6 period. I opened 6 period. Now click on enter button. Posting period 006 2000 is not open. Why? What does it? Same error. Okay, just I'm going to check. SPRO, enter. Same error I got. Click on SAP NetWeaver. No. Click on financial accounting. Then click on financial accounting global setting. Then click on global parameters for company code. Enter global parameters just to check the parameters. Whatever parameters did you define for your company code? What type of configuration did you made? Did you make? What type of configuration did you make for your company code? Still Tata company code. Just click on enter. That is Tata, and just click on detail button. There will be complete detail of your company code. Your company code name is Tata, your company code country key is US, currency used by your company code USD, your city is New York, language EN, chart of account Tata, company name is Tata, fiscal year variant is T4, and field status variant is Tata, posting period variant is Tata. Okay, we define this. No, I defined Tata already. I defined Tata, but what is the error behind posting this transactions? Posting period 006 2000 is not open. What does it mean? I opened already in this system. Here I opened 6 period from period 1 to period 1 to period 12. I already open. Here I already open. 6 period is open. What does it mean that 6 period is not open? Forward assets GL, that is open. 6 period is open and posting period is Tata. Should I get back? Okay, okay. I refresh the screen. I will have to refresh this screen. I will have to refresh. Refresh means I will put this data again. Okay.
Yeah.
Then the entry will be okay. Yes. Now I will again. I will put again the entry. Just click on. Okay, just click on save. This is the today entry. Salary paid. Reference 1234. Jira account. Okay. 401. 201. Debit and credit. Here, what was the amount? 1 lakh. 1 lakh. No, the error of 6 posting period will be removed. Now click on enter. Yeah, this is our new topic, tolerance range. Now the error regarding to 6 period posting period has been removed because I was on the same screen when I got the error. I did not refresh the screen. That's why I got the same error. When I refresh the screen, when I resolve the error, then I will have to refresh the screen. Then I will have try to again post. Then the entry will be posted. But there is tolerance range. What is tolerance range? I am not authorized to post this huge amount in the system. First, I will get the authorization in tolerance group. Tolerance is our next topic. Okay. Tolerance will be our next topic. Today, that is enough for today. Okay. Elvis. Elvis.
Yes, no same with you.
Okay. Our new topic will be tolerance range. New topic. Okay.
Tolerance range.
Yeah. The error will be our new topic. Resolving the error is troubleshooting. it will make you great consultant in SAP FI. The more you resolve these problems, the more you can get confidence to be a consultant.
Wow.
Okay.
Yes.
Now it is enough for today, and it will take 1.5 hours to record these sessions. Now
Wait.
after stopping this class, the system will my laptop will record these session. Whatever I taught you, whatever I taught you, the system will record the session. Okay.
Yes.
Now it
But
is enough. Tomorrow we will get into
I
test.
told you,
Yeah, yeah.
Nasi, were you not recording as you were teaching?
No, I recorded this, but
That is
it is the requirement of Zoom cloud meeting that first
yeah.
you will have to complete your session. After completing your session, system laptop will be busy in recording, and after recording, it will take 1.5 hours, and then after recording, I will upload on Google Drive. Then will be time consuming. Then I will share you. Okay,
Okay, okay.
I will share you. Okay. Tomorrow we will get in touch and we will start. Okay, we will meet again tomorrow.
Okay, when you finish recording, you send to me, Nasi.
Okay, I will. As the recording is finished, completed, then I will upload and then I will send you. Okay.
Okay, so I can go through before the class of tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Tomorrow. Okay, we will start. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, love. Thank you.
Yes, Nasi. Thank
Bye.
you.